Alright, let's break it down. Voice calls. You use them all the time, but have you ever wondered how they actually work or what all those terms like VoIP, cellular, or landline really mean? Let's start with the basics. A voice call is simply a way to talk to someone using technology instead of face-to-face. The oldest way? The landline. That classic phone, usually with a cord connected to the wall. It works by turning your voice into electrical signals and sending them through wires all the way to someone else's phone. Fast forward a bit, and we get mobile phones. Instead of wires, these use radio signals to connect to cell towers, which then link up with the rest of the network. That's why you can take your smartphone just about anywhere and still make a call, as long as there's a signal, of course. Now here's where things get interesting. We've moved into the era of internet-based calls. That's what people mean when they say VoIP, or Voice over Internet Protocol. Instead of using wires or cell towers, your voice is turned into digital data and sent over the internet. If you've ever used WhatsApp, Skype, or FaceTime to make a call, you've used VoIP. But why does this matter? Well, each type of voice call has its pros and cons. Landlines are super reliable but not portable. Cellular calls are convenient and mobile, but they depend on your signal strength. VoIP calls can be free or super cheap, but you need a good internet connection. Otherwise, your call might sound choppy or laggy. Also, not every call is created equal. Ever had a call drop or sound fuzzy? That's because the quality depends on the network you're using. Some mobile networks now offer HD voice or VoLTE, which means clearer calls, as long as both you and the person you're calling have the right phones and coverage. And here's a quick heads up. VoIP is awesome, but in emergencies, it's not always as reliable as a regular phone call. If you ever need to dial emergency services, using a landline or your mobile's default dialer is usually the safest bet. So, to sum it up, voice call services have come a long way, from landlines to mobile to making calls over the internet. Each has its own perks, and knowing how they work helps you pick the best option for you. That's your quick crash course on voice calls. Next time you pick up the phone, you'll know exactly what's happening behind the scenes. See you in the next one.